Hi King Teachers, this is Maddie once again teaching y'all how to do the new change of your schedule. If you noticed, our schedule changes on September 8th, so we go back to our normal traditional schedule instead of the virtual schedule. So we need to change those in our Canvas page. I went ahead and I sent y'all all an email with each attachment. So I'm going to show you the different steps that you need to do in order to get those attachments into your Canvas tile. So first off, I'm going to go to that email. I titled that email New Bell Schedule. I'm going to click on that email, and as you can see, I have the three icons here. Two icons, so you're going to choose which icon you are using, and you're also going to have to save the bell schedule. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to save this bell schedule to my computer. So here is the bell schedule. Let's go ahead and download it. I am using a MacBook, so it's a little bit different for me. And then I'm also going to download this schedule icon because this is the option that I used for my volleyball class, so I'm going to download that to my computer as well. A lot of you, what you may be doing is saving the image on your desktop. That may also be an easy option for you, is to save the image. I have it saved in my downloads now. So I'm going to close that out. So I have both of those saved. Some of you may be using the option B, and so option B schedule icon is also there. So I'm going to go to my dashboard and I'm going to choose my class. I'm going to be doing this in the King Volleyball class. Here is my King Volleyball class. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is I want to change the image that I have for the virtual schedule. So let's go ahead and do that first. So I'm going to click on virtual schedule, and it takes me to my remote learning daily schedule. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this page. And I'm going to change the title of it to daily schedule. So I'm just going to delete remote learning. Now, as you can see, it's a picture right now. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to select that picture. It's going to change colors for you, and I'm going to hit delete because I want that one gone. Then I'm going to go to images. Some of you, if you're doing this on a Chromebook, your images option is actually going to be on the bottom of your screen rather than the top. And I'm going to upload a new image. And I'm going to choose that file. Depending on where you saved it, that's where you are going to find that file. So it was in a recent item that I used, and it was bell schedule. It was saved as bell schedule. So I'm going to hit open. I'm going to call that bell schedule. And I'm going to go ahead and upload that, and it's going to appear in my text box. So now I have saved that page, and I have the page exactly as I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. That bell schedule is now saved here. Students are able to view it. It's all there. Okay, so now my next step is to change the icon. So I'm going to go back to my home page. And if you notice, the icon currently says virtual schedule. I want it to change to just say schedule. So I'm going to hit edit. My first step, I'm going to select that virtual schedule. Notice how it highlights it. I'm going to simply hit delete. I'm going to keep my cursor in that exact same spot. Now I'm going to go over here to images. I'm going to upload a new image. And like we did on the last one, wherever you saved it on your computer, here's mine right here, wherever you saved it on your computer, that's where you're going to select it. You're going to hit open. And just like the other one, I named it bell schedule, or we can just put it as schedule icon. So schedule icon. Now I'm going to upload. Notice that it's going to upload it a little bit larger. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to select the schedule icon, and then we're going to resize it by just dragging at the corner. Everything is sized to 170 by 170. So you may have to move a couple of times, not a problem. And then I'm going to make sure it says 170 by 170. So now it's a matching icon. Okay. So last thing that we have to do is we're going to have to hyperlink this icon again. So I'm going to select this icon. The hyperlink that's currently there, I'm going to remove it. So I want to make sure that there's nothing linked. And the way I see that is there was this tiny little triangle underneath the remove link. So I'm going to remove that. Then I'm going to go to links. We had a page, and if you remember, I changed that page to be called daily schedule. So I'm going to select daily schedule, and now I have it hyperlinked. So I'm going to save that, and now I have all of my homepage reset, and our schedule is now changed to be the new schedule. Let's check it. I'm going to click schedule. There you go. It's going to have our new bell schedule on there. Okay, so when you're watching this video, if you have to watch it a couple of times, not a problem. Make sure if you're doing it at the exact same time while you have the video open, just go ahead and hit pause, then restart the video and do each step. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Have a great day, guys.